हर बड़ा सपना पूरा करने के लिए पहला कदम उठाना जरूरी है, और उस पहले कदम का नाम है आइडिया। आइडिया बाज जल्द आ रहा है सिर्फ जी टीवी और ZEE5 पर।
When I said आपका जो career है, वहाँ थोड़ा you were unlucky in some places.
Yeah. I missed out on a lot of good films, Bharti. I don't want to repeat it.
No,
you
don't
know,
repeat
because
it. But I
brings
wanted
back-
to ask you, अभी पद्मिनी कपिला जो आज है, आप उस पद्मिनी कपिला को क्या एडवाइस देती? Would you have told her कि आप देवानंद की फिल्म मत करो, आप B.R. चोपड़ा की फिल्म कर लो 36 घंटे, और ये मत करो क्योंकि आपने चूज किया?
all the wrong films I chose.
हाँ, क्योंकि मुझे मालूम है कि आपको
You know,
choice था
Bharti, the
कि
films I
देवानंद की
did,
फिल्म और
the films I worked in didn't do well. And the ones I left, big hits.
करेक्ट नहीं, और ये भी है ना कि देवानंद ने आपको ऑफर किया था उसी टाइम जब
Bad
36
luck,
घंटे,
yeah, bad luck.
और आपने 36 घंटे नहीं की, और जो परवीन बाबी ने कर लिया,
और फिर वो भी फिल्म नहीं मिली देवानंद की.
देवानंद की फिल्म भी नहीं
मिली.
for personal reasons. So I just feel, is there anything that you would like to tell that Padmini Kapila? क्योंकि आपकी जगह काफ़ी लड़कियां हैं.
See, if I rewind my life now, if I get a chance, I'll be more professional, and I don't think I'll make the same mistakes.
Choices shall we talk about? मतलब जो करियर के चॉइसेस हैं, बिकॉज आई थिंक आपने मोहन सहगल जिन्होंने आपको ब्रेक दिया था, उस टाइम मोहन सहगल वाज अ वेरी बिग नेम, क्योंकि उन्होंने सावन भादो किया था, विच वाज अ ब्लॉकबस्टर फिल्म, और उसी में रातों रात नवीन मिश्रा और रेखा स्टार्स बन गए.
बिग स्टार्स.
सो उसके बाद जब उनकी नज़र आप पे आई और उन्होंने आपको साइन किया, everybody felt कि you will also be the next रेखा और नवीन मिश्रा के ब्रैकेट में आप जाओगे, बट वो हुआ नहीं क्योंकि उनकी फिल्में चली नहीं. Am I right?
Right.
क्योंकि उन्होंने आपको इंतजार दिया,
बहुत इंतजार किया.
इंतजार करवाया. I know that's true. In fact उन्होंने थोड़ा आपको गलत एडवाइस भी दिया था ना, बिकॉज उन्होंने आपको कहा कि इसकी ऑडिशन मत करो लैला मजनू की.
Yeah, Laila Majnu, he said, you're already working, don't go. I said, okay. Heera Panna, don't do because Zeenat is there. Okay.
लेकिन राखी ने किया, और राखी को बहुत एक्लेम मिला था उसमें, बिकॉज इट वॉज अ गुड रोल ऑफ
Very good.
देवानंद एक्स गर्लफ्रेंड, फॉर्मर गर्लफ्रेंड. बहुत अच्छी रोल थी वो, और राखी ने खूब अच्छा निभाया भी उसको. सो इज देयर एनीथिंग एल्स, जैसे ये देवानंद की फिल्म आपने चूज किया जो अल्टीमेटली बनी नहीं आपके साथ, एंड आई थिंक शबाना गॉट दैट रोल.
Yeah.
And then you said no to 36 घंटे, and Parveen Babi took that, and that did well for her. Even though that was also not such a big hit, but she did well in it. So
Then another film, Ek Baar Phir, it was a small film, Vinod Pandey. And he was after me, please do this film, please do the film. I said, okay, but I read the script. There was one scene which was very, very bold. So I said, I can't do this. Eventually it was not there also in the film, मैंने तो ब्लैक में टिकट लेके पिक्चर देखी.
ultimately,
ऐसे देखो जाके बनी क्या है, and I liked the film.
yeah, it was a good film.
So
उन दिनों के लिए it was a path breaking film. एक बार फिर.
yeah. That scene was a bit too bold, the hero putting his hand on my whatever. I said, no, I can't do it.
तो आपको inhibitions थी, मतलब you didn't want to do certain things.
No, but at that time, I was pretty young and I didn't want to do such a bold scene,
Okay,
you
you were uncomfortable.
Yeah.
Okay. और वो जैसे आपने कहा वो सीन है भी नहीं पिक्चर
है भी
में.
नहीं पिक्चर में, just see.
Yeah. But ऐसे he must have missed out on quite a few opportunities, ना? काफी
Plenty.
Yeah. जहाँ choices wrong हो गए, या whatever. What would you have liked to have set right in your career?
See, I got distracted initially.
मुझे भी लगा, मुझे
नहीं?
भी लगा,
That
हाँ.
was the wrong.
मुझे बिकॉज उन दिनों में ये बहुत बोलते थे कि शी इज़ नॉट सीरियस अबाउट हर वर्क, शी इज़ गेटिंग डिस्ट्रैक्टेड,
Yeah.
यू नो.
So I think, yes, now when I look back, I think I did get a bit distracted.
आपने फुल करियर पे ध्यान नहीं दिया,
हाँ, जो
है ना?
हाँ.
जो करना चाहिए
And
था.
then there were, you know, at that time, I don't want to mention any names, but then people were totally like, even if
No, you
they
had
were
Zeenat Aman, you had Shabana, they were all very career oriented.
absolutely, even
Yeah.
the guy, their friends and all, like professionally, they were very strong together with them. मेरे केस में ये नहीं था.
Yes.
I didn't get that. But they, all their heroes used to recommend them, and you know,
Yeah. Here on the contrary, मुझे पूछेंगी तो आप, I don't think Naveen helped your career in any way.
in any way, that's what I'm telling you, na.
Yeah.
So I was unlucky.
And
that
even
way.
Prakash Mehra, you may say he was a nice guy and all that, लेकिन उन्होंने भी आपको ऐसा कुछ रोल नहीं दिया जिससे आपका करियर बने. He also did not give you the best.
I realized that he said somebody ki he was discussing with somebody कि बड़ी फिल्म में लूँगा तो हाथ से निकल जाएगी.
Oh.
And that hurt me a lot. This towards the end, I was very hurt. You know,
Yeah,
I
yeah,
said,
you can't talk like
you
that. about
can't
a
talk
girl.
like
Yeah,
that.
yeah.
And हाथ से निकल जाएगी क्या है?
Exactly.
There's a
और
saying
अब
no,
देखिए अगर
that if you have a bird, open the
hand.
cage.
yeah,
If the
it
bird
goes,
it's not yours, and if it comes back, it's yours.
yeah.
So I mean, you have that kind of an attitude, and that I got to know much later.
That's
By,
what I'm
by
saying,
then, it
yeah.
was too late, Bharti.
Yeah, I can understand. Because I know that some of the girls that you mentioned, or I mentioned, they were very professional. उनके जो friendships थे, they did not come in the way of their career.
It was
लेकिन
all very,
आप-
even
हाँ,
that was professional. Everything was professional.
Exactly. लेकिन आपकी लाइफ में जो नवीन was a distraction,
Yeah,
प्रकाश
yeah.
मेहरा was distraction, ये लोगों ने आपको कभी मदद ही नहीं किया आपके करियर
no,
में.
no help at all.
Yeah. Is there any film that which you missed out and which you wish you had done?
All these, no?
All these?
First of all, Hira Panna I should have done.
Raki.
Then I would have done 2-3 movies with Dev Saab,
Dev Saab.
you know.
Yeah.
And so many.
But what
36
was-
Ghante.
What was Zeenat Aman scared of?
Ask her. I don't know.
Because it's, I don't know.
I don't
Insecurities of the girlfriend, I suppose.
Yeah, because Dev Saab was he used to call me Pammi. Never Padmini, Pammi.
हाँ.
And the same character का नाम भी Pammi. Shabana is called Pammi in the
Pammi in
film.
the film.
Ishq Ishq. I felt very flattered. चलो मेरा नाम तो है.
कम से कम, yeah.
So I don't know. He used to keep saying that, oh, you're so tall, you're so glamorous. Why did you do this Intezar and all that? That's not your film. You like yourself? He used to ask me.
अच्छा.
I said, yeah. He's saying, no, this is not what, you should not be introduced in such, with
Exactly,
your looks
exactly.
and your height
Yeah,
and all.
yeah.
So I guess, I don't know, maybe he mentioned that to her and she said, no, I think keep her away or whatever. Do I like Zeenat?
Oh, yeah.
She's a nice person, yeah.
She's an extremely nice
Yeah,
person.
yeah.
I like